Hello, today I'm in Dacia Duster. In this video I'll show you how to manage media panel. In the beginning, take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Thanks to this panel we can increase and decrease radio volume, mute the radio, answer and end calls, and use voice assistant. We can change radio source, accept our choices, and in the end, thanks to this button we can roll right here, we can change radio station. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.